In the next 9 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy your first ETF on Trading 212, even if you've never invested before. I'm walking you through every single click. No theory, just actions. Let's go. By the end of this video, you'll have set up a Trading 212 account, money deposited, your first investment placed, and I'll show you a bonus trick at the end for automating everything. Let me show you exactly how it works. First, head to Trading 212. I'll put the link in the description. Click sign up. Here's what they'll ask for: email, password, nationality, personal details, national insurance number. This is completely normal. They are FCA regulated, so they have to verify your identity. It takes about 90 seconds. Once verified, you see this dashboard. Now, this next choice is absolutely critical, so pay close attention. You'll see 3 account types. Most beginners get this wrong. You want the ISA account, the stocks and shares ISA. Why? Because everything you earn in this account is completely tax-free. Inside a regular invest account, you pay tax on gains over £3,000. ISA protects any profits made, and you can put in up to £20,000 every tax year. Click Open ISA account and accept the terms. Let's have a quick pause here. If this is making sense so far and you're finding it helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button below. It tells YouTube to show this to more people who need it. And I've also written a complete step-by-step guide on my blog with screenshots of every screen you will need. I'll link it in the description if you want to follow along. Alright, let's keep going. Now let's add money. There are 4 options. Instant bank transfer arrives in seconds. Bank transfer, free. It can take up to 2 business days. Debit card, instant but has a small fee. Apple or Google Pay, instant but also has a small fee. I recommend instant bank transfer as it is fee free. So I'm depositing £100. You can start with as little as £1. Money is in. Now the fun part, buying your first ETF. Go to search and type your ETF ticker. If you're not sure which one to buy, pause this and watch lesson 4.1 where I explain the best beginner ETF. Link is in the description. For this demo, I'm using VWRP, the Vanguard FTSE All World Accumulation. Tap it. Before you buy anything, let me show you 5 things you must check first. Number 1, fund provider. Is it Vanguard, iShare, or another major provider? For VWRP, it's Vanguard. Number 2, ongoing charges, OCF, the annual fee. VWRP is 0.22%. Anything under 0.5% is excellent. Number 3, distribution type. Look for AC or accumulation. This means dividend gets automatically reinvested. DIST, D-I-S-T, pays dividend as cash. This is not ideal for long-term growth. Number 4, price charts. Look at the 5 years history. Does it trade upwards? For VWRP, yes. Remember, past performance doesn't guarantee future results, but it shows stability. Number 5, key information document. Scroll down and skim this. It's like a nutritional label for your investment. Make sure you understand what you're buying. All 5 check out, you're ready to invest. Before we place the order, quick reminder, I post a new investing lesson every Thursday. So if you want to learn more about ETFs, tax strategies, and building wealth, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. I also dropped the link to the full guide on my blog, caresconsultingpro.com. These are all free resources. Alright, let's buy this ETF. Tap buy. There are 2 order types. Market order. This buys right now at the current price. Limit order. It waits for your target price. Beginners should use market order. Choose your amounts. For this example, I'm using £100. See that 0.77 shares. That's fractional investing. You don't need to buy the whole shares. Review and buy. Done. You're officially an investor. But here's the bonus. If you want to automate monthly investing so you never forget, here's how. Go to Create New Pie. There are 3 pie options: custom, model, or social. For this example, I'm using the custom option. Add VWRP. Set monthly deposits, let's say £50. Set allocation to 100%, or if you have more than one in it, you can vary your allocations. It has to be a total of 100%. Now, £50 automatically invests every month. This is pound cost averaging. You buy more when it's cheap, less when it's expensive, and it smooths out over time. Set it and forget it. In your portfolio, you'll see current value, total returns, red or green, dividends if any. Here's what no one tells beginners. Do not check this every day. You'll panic over normal fluctuations. Markets go up and down. That's normal. Focus on 5 to 10 year growth. The best investors, they set it up and barely look at it. In the next lesson, I'll show you Invest Engine, another great platform with even lower fees. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. That's it. You've invested in your first ETF in under 10 minutes. I have 3 quick asks. Hit that like button if this helped. Seriously, it helps the algorithm show this to more people who need it. Subscribe if you haven't. I post every Thursday at 7 p.m. with new investing lessons. Click here to subscribe. Check the description for my full written guide on the blog, the ETF comparison spreadsheet, linked to lesson 4.1 on choosing ETFs. Do you have any questions? Drop them in the comments. I read and reply to every single one. See you on Thursday for the next lesson.